Hey guys, welcome to the Techysoar. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how you can install Seed on your WordPress website. I assume so you have purchased your domain and hosting and have also installed WordPress on it. First, if you don't have purchased hosting and the domain yet, then please first purchase it. Our recommended hosting links has been given below. You can check it out. These hostings are compatible with the Seed, so you can go with that particular hostings. This is just a recommendations. Okay, so you can check it out. Second, if you already have a domain and hosting and you don't have installed WordPress on it, then please first install WordPress on your hosting and domains. If you don't know how to install WordPress, then please go to the YouTube and watch any video. There are several videos on YouTube for the how to install WordPress on your domain and hosting, so please check it out from there. After creating a WordPress website, just follow these steps for installing Seed. So before doing anything else, let's download the current version of the Seed. If you already have downloaded the current versions, then you can skip this step. So for downloading, first go to the WordPress techysoar.com, okay, and then just click on the login link and navigate below and click on the Seed button here. You will be redirected to this page, on this login page. Here you have to enter your login detail that you have created on the checkout page during the payment. So just paste your login credential here and click on the login button. After login, you will be redirected to this page, and now from here you have to click on the my membership link. After that, just click on the view button. Now you will be redirected to the download page. Okay, from here you have to download the latest version of the Seed. From here you can see the 3 versions. So in this case I will download the latest versions, which is Seed 1.0.4. so just you have to click on the download button, and then downloading will be start. So I already have downloaded it, so I am not going to download it again. So after downloading, what you have to do, first of all you have to extract your downloaded file, which is here Seed standard package 1.0.4. so this is the fourth versions of the Seed. So first of all you have to extract this file, this zip file. So I am going to extract. Okay, so I have done it. After extract, this is the folder. Just click on it and open this folder. Okay, so this is the folder, and this is in the folder you will get these files. Okay, so changelog files, installation documents, and all those things. Okay, so first of all you have to log in to your website where you want to install Seed. So in this case I am going with this website, courses.websitex.co.in. so this is the newly created WordPress site where I am going to install Seed. And in your case the WordPress website should be newly created, because if you install Seed on your another WordPress website that you are already using, so Seed will completely change your layout and completely replace your old website to the new. So this is highly recommend you should have to install Seed on your newly created WordPress website. So in this case this is the WordPress website that I already have created. Okay, so first of all log in to your WordPress website. So I am going to log in, just after the domain name and slash write wp dash admin. Okay, and enter your WordPress website login credential here. Okay, so I have logged in to my WordPress website. After login, you just need to go to the plugin sections, and you can see there is two plugins, and this is the default plugins which you will get when you install WordPress. So just select these plugins and click on the delete buttons, and just you should have to delete these plugins. And after that, just click on the add new plugins and upload plugins, and go to the file which you have downloaded, and you can see here there is two plugins, and migration plugin zip and migration pro plugin. So you have to install these two plugins to your WordPress. Oh, so first I'm going to install this plugin. So, okay, so just click on the choose file, and let me select the folder. Okay, so this is the folder seed standard package. Just open it, and I'm selecting these plugins. So I'm going to install these two plugins one by one. Just click on install now, and plugin has been installed. Just click on activate plugins. Okay, so plugin has been activated now. So our both plugin has been installed. Now you should have to click on the update now link here to update the migration plugins. So this plugins has been updated now from here you should have to check the check for updates links. Just click on it, and now click on the update now. So both of these plugins has been updated. I'm going to refresh this page, and after that just click on here all in one WP migrations, and then click on the import link. Okay, so after that just click on it, and then click on file link, and go to the file, go to the folder seed folders, and select this file seed.wp wpress. Okay, so this is the file which I'm going to install. Okay, so this is the seed files. So just select these files and click on open. Now file has been installed, and this is the process completed. Now click on the proceed button link button here. Okay, so seed is successfully installed on this website. Okay, so just click on finish, and let me click on the home link here, and now you can see seed has been installed, and this is the login page. Just click on this page, this link, and now you can see the complete whole website has been imported to the newly created WordPress website. So this is the seed, and it has take only 5 minutes. So you can install seed within the 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the website, and you can navigate to the other links pages. Okay, so after installing, just click on the login link, and use the login details that we have provided in your docs or in your files. So just let me show you where you can find the login details. Oh, so this is the default login details. After installing, you have to use this login details to log in first times. After login, you can change the password. So let me show you where is the login details. So let me open this document, and you will see here username password. Okay, so let me use this username and password to log in first time. Okay, okay, just clicking on the login. When you will do so, you have asked authentication code. Okay, so this is the first time you have to enter authentication code. Okay, so where you find or where you get authentication code,